Okay, this is a trade I made in Chesapeake Energy on May 1st. You can see from the chart on the right of the screen that it closed about 1840 the day before. Today it's gapping up to around 2020 is where it opened. Carl Icahn came out and said he had taken a stake in the company. So right now we're watching it for an area possibly to get short. It opened up about 2020. Sprinted up to about 2060 and got rejected, so we're watching it right now around this 2016-2020 level, looking for a break below 20 to possibly get short. So let's go ahead and roll the tape and see what happens. You see a big bid in there at 14. It gets taken. The tape's pretty fast on this trade. There's a lot of prints, a lot of volume going through. It's 9:37. So we just opened a few minutes ago. Really what we're looking for is a spot to get short. We're under the 2020 level, so we're looking for some sort of held offer or some sort of big print or to show us that someone's willing to come in and sell the stock. That was a pretty nice snap down. It's getting closer to the 20 level. We want to watch and see how it reacts around this level. Under 20 is where we want to get short. Big bid at 20.01 taken quickly. It's under the 20 level now. Back above and then snaps below. We want to start seeing it to hold under 20. 95, doing some buying. You can see it's double crossed there. Some guy took some volume there and then drops. Looks like I just put in an offer right below the figure at 19.99. 98's doing some selling. Some guy just sold 10,000 at 19.97.5. Looks like I just got filled. Watching the tape here, I'm probably going to get out above 2010, so I'm not giving it too much wiggle room. It struggled up in that area. Big print at 98, sold 10,000. Now right here we're going to start seeing 98 start holding the offer. This is exactly what we want to see. It's below the 20 level. '98 starting to do a lot of selling here, not really lifting. Sold another 10,000. So I just sold another about 10,000 on the tape. Starting to do some serious volume here. This is definitely a spot to add more size if the 97 bid drops, or you could just hit out 97 straight away and covering above the figure. A lot of volume taken, did about 10,000. 97 drops, and immediately we get a snap down. So 98 is a pretty big level. It's definitely a level we should have been adding. Somebody's selling. Looks like 1990 is starting to hold the offer now a little bit. '87 just sold 10,000, so there's someone stepping down, selling more. Back to 90, doing a little more selling. 90 gets up. Can't really get above 95 bid. Remember, 98's the offered level. 90 drops again. Quick snap through. So we should definitely look to start pressing here under 1990. I sold out another 400 there. Snaps below 90 is definitely a spot to add a lot of size here. Big offer steps in at 1989. And then quickly we're in the low 80s. 80 offered. I gotta go bid at 76. We've moved almost 25 cents from that 20 level. Took a little bit back at 79. A little bit back at 76. 75 and 76 looks like it's doing a little buying. 78 just sold 12,000, but we're not really able to stay below that. 79 just sold 10,000. 75 offered. Looks like I'm trying to take the rest of my shares back at 71. Quick snap below 70. Somebody sold 50,000 at 73. Gets us a snap down to the low 60s. 75 sold 45,000. 75 bought 50,000. So 75 is definitely a level here. At this point, we should look to start getting short as close as we can to the 1990 level. So big bid steps in at 1975. We should look to reshort as close as we can to the 1990 to 1998 level where we saw those held offers take place. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pause the tape there. You can see that 75 is starting to become a significant level inflection point. There's a lot of buying and selling, a lot of trades going off in this area. It's moved about a quarter from the 20 level. Later this stock bounces back to the 20 level and offers a great risk reward to short again in 1998. It doesn't get above 20 for heading back lower to the 1960 level, and then later it retests about 2015, and that was the swing high for the afternoon. So knowing what we know about the offers and the amount of selling we saw in 1998, we should definitely look to reshort up in that area. This is where all the volume was done. Okay, thanks.